Ever wondered how a blind person cooks? Well, stay tuned and watch how I make roast for the first time. First, we're gonna throw on this slow cooker marinade along with all the seasonings in my cabinet, and then drown it in some vegetable stock. Cover it and let all them flavors get real acquainted. This actually marinated for a couple of days. Throw in some different colored bell peppers. I already threw in the celery. Toss in some baby carrots and pour in all that juice from that marinade. And I added a couple bulbs of garlic. Ooh, get into all the colors. It's giving very much fall. And boom, plate it up with a side of mashed potatoes and green beans. Bless it, thank God for it, and enjoy. Comment below your favorite fall meal.